This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting thread matched to fabric weight and needle size. This reduces breakage and skipped stitches. Place the spool on the top spindle and secure it with a cap or adapter so it won't wobble. Pull 12 to 18 inches of thread off the spool and hold the tail. This gives you slack for the first routing passes. Once done, you'll guide the thread through the initial thread guides. Don't skip the cap and spool orientation, because incorrect mounting causes uneven tension later. You now follow the machine's numbered routing sequence, passing the thread through each guide and fully between the tension discs so the mechanism can regulate pressure. Make sure to pull the thread up to the highest point of the K-cup lever and then down again. This step controls stitch formation. Next, lead the thread through any final thread guides located near the needle bar. When threading the needle, insert the thread from front to back. This orientation stabilizes the loop under the hook. You finish by installing a properly wound bobbin into the lower case, feeding the bobbin thread so its unwinding direction matches the hook mechanism for smooth pickup. With the presser foot raised, pull the upper thread to lift the bobbin thread up through the needle plate and place both threads under the foot toward the back. Lower the presser foot and sew a few slow test stitches. If looping, skipping, or breakage occurs, recheck routing and tension. Often the tension discs or a misthreaded guide are the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.